My name is Vinit Rathod. I was a BMS graduate when I entered TSCFM. Currently, I am working for a company which is in operations. So I have completed my major marketing from TSCFM. I have also started with a restaurant right now. In that, sitting in a lecture in project management, I always used to think what kind of teaching or this teaching, how would that thing help me? But while opening a restaurant, our Baiju sir always taught us you have to understand. Like before opening a thing, you have to go through your stakeholders, the problems which you will be facing, and that helped me encounter my problems. So first of all, the moment I was starting to or I was planning to open a restaurant, at that time I got an idea. I have to look about my stakeholders. I have to take care of them. So that was the thing. There were many learning which I got. Also, the best thing about TSCFM was it was never theoretical. But the most thing which which was helpful for me was the experiences. Every faculty, every teacher out here had experiences to share, and those experiences became very important for me because they become my learning. Because theory is something which you can learn from books, but experience is something which can be gained with time. And due to their experience, I was able to gain that knowledge on that experience in a much younger age. So thank you for that.